Go, Cadet. Time to make you a ranger.
I'll see you in a bit.
So much fun!
Your protosuit is the most advanced combat armor on the market, and it comes in all the latest fall colors.
Sweet. This is awesome. So what next? Halo jump into enemy territory? Suborbital combat training?
In time, rookie. Next up is basic training. The captain designed this fitness course to help us reach our top physical condition. Good luck.
Greetings, cadets, and welcome to the Captain Point Fitness Course. Why are you so violent? Do you expect some sort of extra points or something? Congratulations on reaching the summit of justice. Your quadriceps must be burning with righteousness and pain. It's time to ascend to the Tower of Power. Here you must leap from platform to platform, but tread lightly. These pieces will move to one position, and then, without so much as a warning, shift to an entirely different position. You've conquered the Tower of Power. Head to the main platform and claim your prize, Ranger. Last cadet that got this far went on to become nothing. But the guy before that, oh, yeah, excellent. Guess this training course isn't very good at training.
I see you just finished my training course. Aren't you just full of stuff you can do? Meet me outside the